Well, here we are on launch. Bit of a quiet day, so it's 11 o'clock and there's only 3 of us out here so far, so I'm not sure where everyone else is. It's looking good. So I had a nice climb off tow, and I'm just heading west now towards Millmerran at just under 6,000 feet. Looking good north, so I might go that way. I'm just going to follow these line of clouds here. There's a bushfire over there. So I just got 20k short of Millmerran, and then there was a big blue hole, so I thought no point going in the blue, especially when then behind, going back towards Warwick and the range, there's some decent queue. So that's what I'm doing now, heading to the towards the range, and there's a bit of chatter on the radio from the guys at Boona. Sounds like they're not crossing the range though, they're staying on the eastern side. So yeah, I might take a run down the range, see what it's like. Well, I finally got to the range, at least the edge of it. Clouds on the eastern side there, and wind is northeasterly, so I'm just going to head a bit into wind, see if I can get a climb under this cloud here. It's not actually that high here, 5,000. So yeah, if I get too low then I'm going to scoot back. Well, just got myself out of a little hole there. This is the spot here. I got really low, and I think there was a lee side thermal. Wind is from the northeast, so it just sort of collected in the backside of the ridge, and I managed to get it get up. So I'm quite happy with that. So here I am on the middle of the range now, just north of the Merivale Valley here. Just coming around Cunningham's Gap over that way. Between those two peaks, and I'm just gonna head towards the edge of the escarpment. Just fly through this bit of cloud here. Spectacular rainforest and the escarpment, so I'll just film that. So here's the edge of the escarpment, just approaching it, and yeah, I might go back the same way I came because there's a bit of a blue hole to the south there. So I just want to get over the edge. You can see that there. Pretty amazing. And then running north up towards Toowoomba. So I'm just going to run along this ridge line here. Cloud over the top of it, so maybe even though it's easterly, this thermal's going up the side of the hill, probably on both sides. So I'm just gonna fly along this now. I've just about got glide into Warwick. It says 0 altitude, so okay, that's Seb or Lucky. They're a bit close to the airfield, so I'm gonna push on a little further. So just run that ridge line. It worked quite well. I got a lee side thermal on the south side and worked that up. So I've now got safe glide back. I'm just going along the very last part of the ridge, and the airfield is to my left. I'm just at about 4,000 foot now. Bit of a fire there. Shows you what the wind's doing. It is an easterly. Not much though. So pretty good. Next stop